The sun is shining today here in Sitka, Alaska, and most Sitkans know how important it is to get outside on days like this. Sitkans also understand just how uninviting and formidable the terrain can be on this island if you were to say just wander off into the woods. You're gonna encounter mud and muskeg and really thick brush that's super spiky, steep, slippery rocks, and other unenjoyable obstacles. So I am very thankful Sitka has a lot of beautiful and well-maintained trails that allow relatively easy navigation through this otherwise hostile environment. So one of my favorite hikes is the Gavan Hill Trail, which me and Goose are going to be hiking up today. We have snow on the ground as we approach the lookout, where Goose is already waiting for his treat, and he can wait just 1 second more because I do want to talk about what I was doing earlier this week, which was speaking with Sitka Trail Works, and they partner with the city, the state, and federal agencies to build and maintain the trails that are here in Sitka. And when they make decisions about what they're going to do next, they want to hear from Sitkans. So they made a survey that you can use to express your point of view and tell them what you want. There's a link to this survey in the description of this post. Whether or not you spend a lot of time on these trails, your opinion does matter for what they're going to do with public land. So click on the link to share your opinion and have an influence on what is going to happen next, trail-wise, here in Sitka. And as an extra incentive, Sitka Trail Works is going to enter everyone who completes this survey into a raffle, so you could also win $100. All right, so we're going to continue on up to the ridge. Come on, come on, come on. Use the trail. Is it snack time, Goose? You earned your snack, bud. All right. Super tasty. Super tasty. It's actually just cat food, but Goose isn't too picky, are you, bud? This rainy little rock we live on is capable of producing brilliant light. Today is an absolute testament of that, and I am privileged to spend a day like this on this high, bright ridge with my hiking buddy, Goose. Thank you so much for watching. Please keep this channel alive by subscribing, and have yourself a wonderful day.